Well, today I'm doing an open house in Citrus Heights, California on the windiest day of the year in February of 2024. And since you can't be here with me, I thought I'd take you on a little tour of this place. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel, you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the Greater Sacramento Area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty, and I would love to have the opportunity to help you buy or sell your home in the Greater Sacramento Area. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Well, today we're looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 1,481 square feet, built in 1968. This house is currently listing for $489,000, which is about $330 a square foot. Let's take a look inside. There's a 2-car garage here. A little courtyard right in front of the house. Has a nice open space to put some table and chairs. A little plant right there, a glory bush, and a hedge along the side of the house here. A little breezeway between the garage and the house. Let's go check out the yard. The yard has a lot of olive trees here. There used to be an olive orchard in this area. The yard just kind of goes around the side of the garage here a little bit. That's about it. And then the back fence is just lined with a lot of oleanders, along with the olive trees. It just provides for some nice privacy. Let's go take a look inside. Into the house, we'll look to the room right to the right here, which is a sunken-in kitchen, and it goes to the sunken-in living room on the left. So you can see the dining room area right in here, and the kitchen area, nice and spacious, plenty of room to move around in for the cooks, and then the laundry room is right back here off the dining room. Walk into the living room, you'll notice how spacious it is in here. Nice big picture window, looks out to an olive tree and an oleander bush. Nice corner fireplace here, beautiful brick. It's a coat closet right here as you walk in the front door. As we head down the hall, veer off to our left, we'll find a full bathroom here. One sink, toilet area. The room off to the right is the first bedroom. Plenty of closet space. Go to the right at the end of the hall here, we have some built-in cabinets for linen, and come to the second bedroom. Nice closet area there. Nice window that overlooks the street, and nice landscaping out front. Over to the master bedroom. Here is the closet space here, and here is the bathroom. I think this was custom built for the seller who lived here. It is a walk-in shower room. That is definitely custom built, so the water does not get on the carpet. And that's it for this cute little house. Well, I hope you enjoyed your tour of this little home today. If I can answer any questions for you about the Greater Sacramento area, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And until then, I will see you around town.